Hook. Did you know that over 70% of chicken owners struggle with cooking their poultry to perfection? That's right. If you're one of them, you're definitely going to want to stick around for what's coming up next. Introduction. Today, we're diving into a gadget that chicken enthusiasts everywhere are buzzing about. Meet the ultimate chicken cooking gadget that promises to change the way you prepare your favorite dishes. This little device could be a game changer for anyone who loves chicken but struggles with the usual cooking challenges. Presentation of problem/challenge. So, let's talk about the common challenges we face as chicken lovers. First off, there's the issue of cooking chicken evenly. You know how it goes: 1 minute, it's perfectly juicy, and the next, it's dry as a desert. Then, there's the dreaded problem of ensuring it's safe to eat without overcooking it. No one wants to bite into a piece of chicken and wonder if they just rolled the dice with food poisoning. And let's not forget about the mess and cleanup that comes with cooking. Greasy pans and splattered surfaces can be a real pain. If you've ever found yourself in a chicken cooking crisis, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Exploration/development. Now, let's check out this incredible gadget in action. This is the Smart Chicken Cooker, a fantastic device that takes the guesswork out of cooking chicken. With its built-in thermometer, it guarantees perfectly cooked chicken every time. You simply set your desired temperature, and it alerts you when it's reached that sweet spot. Plus, it has a non-stick surface, making cleanup a breeze. Watch as it effortlessly sears the chicken while locking in all those delicious juices. It even has a steaming feature for those healthier options. Seriously, just look at it go. It's like having a personal chef right in your kitchen. Climax/key moment. But wait for the best part. The Smart Chicken Cooker has this amazing feature called flavor infusion technology. You can insert herbs, spices, or marinades directly into the cooking chamber, and it infuses the chicken with those incredible flavors as it cooks. This feature is a total game changer. Imagine biting into a perfectly cooked piece of chicken packed with flavor, all thanks to this gadget. It's like a flavor explosion in your mouth that sets it apart from anything else on the market. Who wouldn't want that? Conclusion/summary. So, to wrap it all up, the Smart Chicken Cooker not only solves those pesky cooking problems but does so in style. Say goodbye to dry chicken and messy kitchens, and hello to juicy, flavorful meals that will impress everyone at your dinner table. Whether you're a novice or a cooking pro, this gadget is a must-have for anyone who loves chicken. Call to action, CTA. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite chicken gadgets? Drop your comments below, I'd love to know. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more awesome cooking tips and tricks. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's keep cooking together.